Hello, and welcome to Dance 301. I am Darlene Ocadis, and I will be your instructor for this course. In Dance 301, we will explore different cultures through the medium of dance. This class will be presented fully online in an asynchronous format on the Learning Management System Canvas. You will need a textbook for this class. It is Dance and Cultural Diversity, 3rd edition. The course is designed in modules with a PowerPoint lecture, videos, and a quiz in most modules. However, in Module 7 and Module 15, you will need to write and submit a paper. Module 7 is considered a midterm, and you will be asked to submit a paper researching and analyzing a dance video that will be provided for you in Module 7. In Module 15, the final module, you will be asked to submit a final paper based on what you learned in the class, referencing the textbook and citing it. There are a total of 13 quizzes that are based on the readings from the book, along with PowerPoint lectures and videos provided on Canvas. It is possible for you to do very well in this class if you keep up with the quizzes and follow the guidelines for the papers. Please read through the syllabus and pay attention to the due dates on the Canvas modules. I will send you announcements periodically with reminders and updates, so please check your CSU email often. If you have any questions or if you want to set up a Zoom meeting, please email me and I will respond within 24 hours. I hope you enjoy learning the information in this course, and I hope you do very well in this class. Have a great semester.